Let's face it, everyone wants the freedom to earn money online. The lifestyle of waking up on your terms, traveling when you want, and building wealth without the shackles of a 9-to-5. But here's the $1 million question. How do you get there? Affiliate marketing or dropshipping? Both seem like dream careers, but which one is right for you? In the next 15 minutes, we'll break down every detail, and by the end, you'll have the clarity to make a decision that could change your life. But first, a question. Have you ever wondered if your online business could survive a recession? Stick around, because one of these models is recession-proof. Before we dive deep into each model, let's take a moment to look at the global market landscape. The digital commerce world is rapidly expanding, and both affiliate marketing and dropshipping are set to take center stage in 2025. First, affiliate marketing. In 2025, this industry is projected to be worth $12 billion, and it's expected to nearly double to $27.7 billion by 2027. It currently accounts for around 15% of the revenue within the digital media industry. This is huge. It shows how critical affiliate marketing is as a revenue-generating channel for businesses globally. Now let's talk dropshipping. The dropshipping market is growing at an exponential rate, with estimates suggesting it will reach a staggering $557.9 billion by 2025. This rapid growth is driven by the increasing popularity of e-commerce and the appeal of not having to manage inventory, which is making it increasingly attractive to aspiring entrepreneurs. Both industries are poised for significant growth as technology evolves and consumer behaviors shift. So, whether you're interested in affiliate marketing or dropshipping, both models have huge potential to capitalize on this thriving landscape. Let's talk about your starting capital. Affiliate marketing offers one of the lowest barriers to entry. You can get started with very little, just a website or a blog. Platforms like WordPress allow you to start a blog with minimal fees, or you could even use a platform like Medium for free. The only costs you may incur would be for domain registration or web hosting, but they're typically low-cost investments. On the other hand, dropshipping requires a slightly larger initial investment. You need to create an online store, often using Shopify, which charges a monthly fee. Plus, you'll need to allocate funds for marketing campaigns, especially paid ads, to drive traffic to your store. Affiliate marketing presents a lower risk compared to dropshipping. In affiliate marketing, you're essentially the middleman. Your role is to drive traffic to a merchant's website and earn a commission for each sale. There's no product to store, no customer service to handle, and no inventory to manage. If a product doesn't sell well, you simply move on to something else. But dropshipping is riskier. You're relying on third-party suppliers to handle inventory, shipping, and quality. If a supplier fails to deliver or a product has quality issues, you'll take the hit on customer complaints and negative feedback. Sounds fun, right? Or, like a stressful nightmare. Just kidding. Or am I? Affiliate marketing works by earning commissions on products you promote. For instance, Amazon Associates pays anywhere from 1% to 10% per sale, and ClickBank can offer commissions as high as 50% for digital products. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you can scale up by promoting many products across various niches, and the commissions can add up over time, especially if you're building content like blog posts or YouTube videos. With dropshipping, you control the pricing of the products you sell, but your profit margins are typically lower, around 10 to 30% per item. While dropshipping offers higher profit potential per sale, you'll need to sell much more volume to scale. Affiliate marketing may initially take time to build, but once you've created valuable content like blog posts, YouTube videos, or email campaigns, it can run almost on autopilot. This means your income becomes more passive over time. However, it still requires consistent work in the beginning to build SEO and traffic. On the other hand, dropshipping can take up more of your time on an ongoing basis. You're responsible for setting up the online store, running advertising campaigns, managing customer service, and tweaking the website for optimal conversions. If you stop actively managing it, your sales can drop significantly. Affiliate marketing is scalable in that you can promote more products and reach a wider audience over time, but it's limited by your ability to create content and build authority in your niche. Once your content starts ranking, it works passively, but you may hit a ceiling unless you're constantly updating or creating fresh content. Dropshipping, on the other hand, offers more scalability. You can add products to your store, launch multiple stores in different niches, and target new audiences through paid ads. However, with scalability comes the need for more active management and higher marketing budgets. Affiliate marketing is incredibly sustainable for the long term, especially if you focus on creating evergreen content that remains relevant for months or even years. Once a blog post or YouTube video ranks well, it can continue bringing in traffic and revenue for a long time with minimal effort. Dropshipping, while lucrative in the short term, can be less sustainable. The e-commerce space is very competitive, and consumer preferences change quickly. If you're not constantly updating your store, changing suppliers, or adapting to trends, your business may struggle to stay profitable. Affiliate marketing's core strength lies in its passive income potential. Once you set up your blog, YouTube channel, or social media accounts and start creating content, your affiliate links can work for you for years without needing constant attention. Your commissions can continue to come in without you lifting a finger. Dropshipping offers a lower potential for passive income. While you can automate some aspects, such as order fulfillment and customer service, you'll still need to stay active in advertising and product management. If you stop promoting your products, your income will quickly dry up. With affiliate marketing, you don't control the products you promote, but that's a double-edged sword. On one hand, you're free from dealing with the logistics of product creation, storage, or shipping. On the other hand, you also can't guarantee the quality of the products you promote. The key to affiliate marketing success is recommending high-quality, trustworthy products. In dropshipping, however, you're responsible for the product quality. Even though you don't hold inventory, the customer experience relies on your ability to select reliable suppliers who provide quality products and fast shipping. Affiliate marketers rely heavily on SEO and content creation to generate traffic. Once your blog posts or videos start ranking in search engines, you'll see free organic traffic coming in. You can also leverage email marketing to boost your sales. However, it takes time to build up enough authority for this kind of organic traffic. Dropshipping businesses often rely on paid advertising to generate traffic. Facebook ads, Google ads, and Instagram ads are commonly used to drive visitors to your store. The difference? Affiliate marketers focus on content-driven traffic, while dropshippers focus on paid traffic. Paid ads. Sounds like a credit card bill waiting to happen, doesn't it? Affiliate marketing revolves around building trust with your audience. Whether it's through blog posts, email newsletters, or YouTube reviews, you're gaining credibility by recommending products that genuinely help your audience. It takes time to build trust, but once you have it, people will follow your advice and buy the products you recommend. Dropshipping requires trust as well, but it's more dependent on how professional and reliable your store appears. You must have a strong brand presence and good customer service to keep people coming back. In affiliate marketing, you don't have to worry about inventory management at all. There's no stock to manage and no shipping to handle. You simply focus on referring sales. Dropshipping, however, involves inventory management, but it's different because you don't physically hold the inventory. Instead, you're dependent on suppliers to maintain stock levels. If a product sells out, it could disrupt your sales, and you may face back orders or delays. Affiliate marketing is mostly free from platform fees unless you choose to run ads to promote your affiliate links. You may have to pay for web hosting or email marketing services, but these are relatively small fees compared to dropshipping. In dropshipping, you'll incur platform fees. For example, Shopify charges monthly fees for running your store. If you use third-party apps for product sourcing or fulfillment, those come with their own costs too. With affiliate marketing, customer interaction is minimal. You're just the middleman between the customer and the product. Your main job is to drive traffic and encourage purchases. In dropshipping, you are directly interacting with the customer. You'll handle product inquiries, complaints, returns, and any issues that arise. This can become time-consuming. Affiliate marketing has an inherent global reach. You're not restricted to your location, and you can promote products to audiences worldwide. Whether you're writing blog posts or creating videos, anyone from any country can click your links and make a purchase. Dropshipping also has global potential, but you're faced with shipping delays and customs issues when selling internationally. However, you can sell to anyone worldwide if your products ship globally. Affiliate marketing generally offers lower profit margins. Commissions are usually between 5% and 30% for physical products, but digital products can offer higher commissions. In dropshipping, profit margins are higher, but you're also dealing with advertising and other costs that can eat into your profits. Affiliate marketers benefit from automation tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit to handle email marketing and affiliate link tracking. This allows you to scale without adding more time commitment. Dropshippers also use automation tools like Oberlo or Spocket to automate the order fulfillment process, but there's still a lot of manual work involved, especially in customer service and marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to enter almost any niche. There's always a product to promote, whether it's in tech, beauty, or finance. So there you have it. Affiliate marketing and dropshipping both offer exciting opportunities, but each has its unique challenges. Which one aligns with your goals and lifestyle? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips on making smarter financial decisions.